Hey everyone! So today, we went back to Park Omega again. It's actually Denise's second time and my parents' second time coming here. So unlike the first one, Denise was not super scared, but she was a bit scared and don't want to share her carrots. Well, today she overshared her carrots. She really enjoyed it. She loves feeding the animals, and she's not scared even they tried to lick her hands. So yeah, and also she tried to high five the deer. Anyhow, so this was our short video of our trip today, and thank you so much for watching in advance. Bye, ciao.
So we go to 5. Put up there.
Over there.
You think? Hey.
Dekat sungai, oi. Sungai tegani oh.
Look.
Oh no, why?
I don't know.
You fight with someone?
Yeah.
Kami manatog tao ra hiwi na ang pundi tagaan. To na. Tagaan na nako. Oh no. Giatangan man ta. Muna mga kabusing, mga kaabaw dire. Dagko kay mga naong.
Oh, she wants to go. High five. Dayo, there's baby dayo. Go, go, give that one. Mga yung carrots no lagamay ka.
Doing? Huh?